Say, get that.
This man done put.
Record everything, bro.
That man done. Oh shit.
That's hard. That's gonna be hard right there. Put that whole TikTok, I might go viral.
He done put sticks, paper in the grill.
Food still gonna be fire. Still gonna be A1 gourmet. It's that Gordon Ramsay shit. This shit was lit perfect earlier. So I put the food on it. That shit go out. Oh, that cheap ass grill.
Been looking for a shooting star. Just wishing for my time back.
Y'all don't bond, you feel me?
Looking at.
Good game. What it do? You know, hold on. I don't think you can't see me like this. Yeah, I got the braids. You know, I don't think I seen this here. So shit.
Who braided you up?
His mama.
This guy really loving these chips, bro. Here you go, homie. I got you, bro. I got y'all. Don't worry about it, man. Bro, I got you. Want another one? You hungry? Damn, you turned them up. Here. Alright, you done. You done.
The fucking bread? Fuck you.
Got his ass again. He's done.
Me? No way.
Boy brushing his teeth. We finna get on a plane ride for the first time, both of us.
Yeah.
No, I'm recording the whole time.
We doing this thing, man. Got some food, bro? I know what fucking time it is, baby.
Oh, shit.
Nervous as hell, bro.
Oh, my God. There it is, bro. There it is. Is that right here? This is it. We're finna take it off. Oh, my God.
Can't believe I'm doing this shit, bro.
We're good, we're good.
This airplane has 2 exit doors in the front and 2 exit doors in the back. Exit door slides can be detached and used for flotation. If needed, oxygen masks will drop from an overhead compartment. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and pull the mask down firmly from the retainer clip to start. We ask that whether you choose to wear a face mask or not, please respect your fellow passengers.
You better not hit that plane. Me too.
Flight attendants, please prepare for takeoff.
Oh my God.
Some days I feel strong and some days I feel lost. You felt played all along, giving pain.
That's what's scary about it. Is like, we're gonna get to going like almost 200 miles an hour before we even get on the road. You gonna be alright?
Yeah.
Close it.
I know it's hard seeing the pain just won't fade. Keep trying to avoid all the memories we made. My vows are the same, but change comes every day. Don't cover my scars with some ice for the pain. Always there for my family indeed. Used to have a hard time finding jobs on Indeed. Felt so alone, made it hard to believe. Looking for signs, it's so hard to receive. Know that I'm young, I get bigger. She said she only want me, but I think it's the liquor. Pain in my heart and my liver. No, it can't on the pain, I just add to the mixture. Mix my anxiety with some aggression. Can't open up, so I write my confession. Built up a wall, cause my heart needs protection. Humble myself and I count up my blessings.
Boys in the cloud.
Make me believe again. Pray what I can't see, cause I can't see.
He said when they met me,
Some days I feel lost. You felt played all along, giving pain, I was wrong. I can feel your love is gone. Thought our love was strong, cause I need it right now. I swear it's always something every time I turn around. I feel so calm, I don't care what people think, but I'm tired.
God dang, boy. You look at him, 21 years old.
22.
You look at his feet, 59 years old.
How you think 7L is your feet?
Man, hey,
Bro.
your feet ain't been washing days, my boy.
I don't know anybody in this room that do wash their feet.
What? Caught his head.
What? What? Why'd you end that?
Because it's just some funny shit.
Try tightening that one up. That other shower head works.
You just have to have high ass water pressure.
You said what?
High water pressure.
Eat out like mine. This is that short chubby dick. Oh shit.
What is it called?
Short chubby dick.
Chode.
Short chubby dick.
Chode.
Chub. It's a short chubby dick.
Stop.
Been looking for a shooting star, just wishing for my time, baby.